All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a Dogecoin update for y'all. I got the Doge chart here on the five day time frame that we're looking at. So as you can see, we are in our A, B, and C wave correction. We also have this higher time frame triangle that in October, when many other coins were pumping, we had a scam pump out, and then we re-entered back into the channel, which is typically very bearish, and then that played out, and we continue with our C wave low down here. So we're in a large correction. We have our A wick low here of our large ABC correction. It also lines up with where these wicks were coming down. So this is a pretty big higher time frame support and resistance zone. And you can see right here that line's at 0.15976. So go ahead and put that on y'all's charts. Set an alert for that. Let's dive into it a little bit more. Let's get into the 1 day chart here and see what we can see. So we have our large ABC correction. We're looking at our C wave here. Let me get out. And in that C wave of the much larger correction, we have our A, and we have our B, and we have our C. So this could very likely be the bottom for Doge here. You can see that we would have had an entry if we were trying to enter back in December, and it back tested it, the wick, the first time and pumped off of it. So Doge wanted to correct right here. You had the correction. This is exactly what we're looking for again. We went and hit our low. We came up, broke the A wick bottom, back tested it as support, and we pumped. Doge already wants to have corrected. And then old grandfather Bitcoin came in and took a dumpy, and we're back down here again. So I'm thinking this probably is our C wave bottom. If we dive in a little bit more, I'll present the only case as to why it possibly couldn't be the bottom. So we have our large ABC correction in blue, our sub ABC correction of the C wave in white, and then we're going to make of this sub C wave, we're going to have an A and a B, and then we have a C. This has to be our A wave. There's really no other account that would make for it. So this could be an irregular correction. Again, this is a contradictory case to say this isn't the bottom, where this C wave would need to come down here and break back above its respective A wave. But you can start pulling hairs when you start going down in time frames and making subwaves of subwaves of subwaves. You can kind of just go down a rabbit hole with that. Now, so as long as the market stays relatively where it's at or goes up, this is going to be our Dogecoin bottom. And you can even see right here over the past day, it already tested that wick low again and got denied. So it's trying to get back above. It's trying to find its footing. Again, our entry is getting above this price, back testing the support just like we did here, and then we're good for takeoff. Again, put this price in y'all's charts. Let's see what else we can see. What's back out to the 5 day time frame. Let's pull up some of these indicators down here. So 5 day time frame. So look at that. You can even see that's a case of why this could be the bottom. So we have a higher low in price right here and a lower low on the RSI, probably a lower low on many of these other, a higher, let's see here, trend line. Let's pull up the market cipher. No, not too much on the market cipher, not too much on the hunter right there. Mainly this RSI divergence. That's a pretty nice one to see with that higher high in price again and the lower low on the RSI levels. So that's just another confluence or another tool that we can use to justify our case for our entry once we get back up, back tested, like I said, right here, and we're good to go. Again, Doge 15976 is the price to look at in our large ABC corrections. Any questions, anything else y'all want to see, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Thanks.